Have y'all ever wondered how much PR packages are worth that get sent to like content creators and influencers? Well, First Aid Beauty just sent me over a restock / PR box of some of my favorite skincare products, and they did me good. So I want to show you everything they sent me, plus tell you each individual item cost, plus the overall grand total at the end. Not gonna lie, I kind of gagged at the final price. Alright, so for starters, they sent me 16 products. They're all sitting here in front of me. I originally had them in the box, but like I don't want to put them back in the box just to show you because I already have them set up nice and neat. So let's just start diving right into the very first product, which is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. This has 10% AHA. This is amazing. I use this. I go ham. No, I mean like my whole body. It's just, oh. The way it exfoliates is just next level. It's absolutely one of my favorites. So the Bump Eraser Scrub retails for $30 a piece, and they sent me two. They sent me two of every product, but they sent me two of this, and this retails for a total of $60. Next up is the Pure Skin Facial Cleanser. This is amazing. I use this as a two-step, like a double cleanser. So when I have makeup on, I'll use this to remove the makeup, rinse my face off, and then I go in again with the same cleanser just to do a nice deep clean and make sure my skin is properly ready, prepped, and cleansed for the rest of my skincare products. This retails for $24 each, so with two of them, that equals $48. Next up are a lot of people's favorites. These are the Facial Radiance Pads. These are glycolic acid exfoliation pads, so these are gonna brighten your skin, help to even out your skin tone and texture, just brighten your skin, like overall just beautify your skin.
You're coming home with me.
These do have AHAs in them, which are alpha hydroxy acids, which are basically chemical exfoliants. So be careful that you're not like manually scrubbing your face and then using something like this. This is all you need to exfoliate your skin. I would use these twice max per week. So individually, these retail for $38. So together, that's $76. Up next, I think this is actually everybody's favorite First Aid Beauty skincare product. This is the Ultra Repair Cream. Has intense hydration, skin protect, colloidal oatmeal, and again, safe for sensitive skin. Basically, all First Aid Beauty products are safe for sensitive skin, which is another reason I really love the brand because I myself have very sensitive skin. So individually, these retail for $38, so together that's also $76. Up next, we have the Bounce Boosting Serum. Now this is one of the rare First Aid Beauty products that I have actually not tried yet, so I'm very excited about this. I've used, like I said, virtually every First Aid Beauty product, but this is not one of them. So definitely excited to give this a try. This says that you can use it daily, morning and night. Apply one pump of product to a clean, dry face and neck. It says dermatologist tested, no artificial fragrance, non-comedogenic, which means it's not gonna clog your pores.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This has collagen and peptides, so overall it's just supposed to give you a really plump, really hydrated moment for your skin, and I'm really excited about that. Individually, this will retail for $44. So again, they sent me two, so that is $88. Next up, we have the Brighten and Glow Eye Cream. So this has niacinamide in it, which is amazing. Niacinamide is one of my favorite skincare ingredients. This is what the component actually looks like up close. This says that 94% of users reported this product brightened their under eye area and helped to minimize the appearance of dark circles immediately. So maybe combine this with something with like a caffeine active ingredient in it. Ooh, I feel like that would be an amazing combo. So this eye cream retails for $36 each, so two of them is $72. Next up, we have the Anti-Chafe Stick. This is a product also that I've not used. I just don't really need to use it. This has shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. Again, all these products are safe for sensitive skin. It says to apply 4 to 5 swipes to the skin or as many swipes as needed to cover the area. Use on your inner thighs or anywhere you experience chafing for a non-greasy glide. Does that mean in between your booty cheeks?
What?
So these retail for $20 a piece, so together it's $40. Last but not least, we have their Ingrown Hair Pads. These have AHAs and BHAs as well. There are 28 pads in each of these. It says to swipe the pads over clean, dry skin daily. Begin using the day after shaving or waxing. Now, I've not tried these before, but I would definitely like to try these because I'm someone that shaves my body from like the neck down. So I do get ingrowns from time to time. I get irritation from time to time. That's what caused these bad boys on my neck that I've been dealing with for like literally 3 weeks. I swear at this point it's like 3 weeks. So I am gonna try these out for sure. These retail for $36 a piece, so together that's $72. So as a quick recap, I was sent 8 different products, but I received double of each product, so 16 products total for a grand total of $532. Now, I don't know about you, but I feel like sending a $500+ box of product to a creator is crazy because it's like, you know, what is PR? PR is meant to be given to creators in the hopes that they're going to create content that showcases your brand and your products. But since it's PR, it's, you know, obligation free. So there is no obligation for me to create anything. I could take this box and throw it away. You know what I mean? I would never do that, but like I could take this box and throw it away. So there's no guarantee that when a brand sends a creator product that that creator will ever even create any type of content or showcase it to their social media followers. I don't know where that just came from. point is it's like, you know, a brand's gonna hope that, you know, they're not wasting money sending these boxes and stuff like that to creators, but I always do my best. No matter what, I do stories, I tag the brands, I at least showcase the products one way or another, because I never want to come off as ungrateful, because I'm not ungrateful in any way. And I always want to make sure that the brand, you know, recognizes that I do appreciate them sending me product and that I'm doing something with it. Even if it's not a product I can typically use or something I'm giving away, I'll at least do it like a story and tag them in like a photo or something like that. But yeah, I was pretty excited to open this box. I literally opened the box and was like, holy shit. And then I had to run and show my husband, who just absolutely does not care about my world or my job. But I was so excited because I'm like, you know, this is my favorite skincare brand. So to have this much new product, I'm super excited because, like I said, I basically depleted all of my stock of First Aid Beauty products. So I'm super excited. I'm super grateful. I can't wait to continue using all these amazing products. This is one of those brands where I genuinely can confidently recommend every single product I've ever used from them, because they're just genuinely high quality products. So please let me know in the comments if you yourself have tried First Aid Beauty products, and if so, what were they and what were your experiences like? And if not, what would you like to try? That being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please let me know in the comments below how much you actually thought this PR box was going to be worth, and if you were close to what the actual price was, which again was $532. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.